If you want to make your first $1,000 online but feel like you, Dan T, have any special skills, experience, or technical background, don't worry, you're not alone. Most people who earn online today started with zero knowledge and zero confidence. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert to start making real money on the internet. You just need the right strategy, a bit of consistency, and guidance from someone who has already figured out the path. And that's exactly what you're going to get today. Welcome to Smart Finance Mentor. This is your place to learn simple, practical, and proven ways to earn more, save more, and grow your financial future. So let's talk about how you can realistically make your first $1,000 online, even if you have no skills at all. First, you need to understand one thing. Online income is not magic. It's not a push-button system, but it is absolutely possible, and thousands of beginners do it every day. The key is to choose something simple that doesn't require expertise. And the first method is offering microservices using free online tools. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour allow you to provide simple services that can be done in minutes. For example, you can remove backgrounds from images using free tools, convert files, edit short clips, create basic thumbnails, or rewrite text using online software. You don't need skills, you only need to know which tools to use. If you charge even $5 to $15 per task, you can complete 70 to 150 orders over a month or two and hit your first $1,000. Many beginners start exactly like this because it's the fastest way to earn without investing money. The second method is selling digital products you didn't create from scratch. Using free templates from tools like Canva, you can create planners, worksheets, trackers, and checklists that people are already searching for. You can upload them on Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own social media. These are one-time creations that sell again and again, even while you're sleeping. The best thing is that you, Dante, need to design like a pro. The templates are already made for you. You only need to customize the text and export the product. Imagine creating 5 to 10 digital downloads and earning small amounts from each. Sale until it adds up to your first $1,000. It's simple, it works, and it's evergreen. The third method is affiliate marketing for beginners. Dante, let the name scare you. It simply means recommending products you already use or like and getting paid. Commissions when someone buys through your link. You can promote free apps, Amazon products, or online tools without having an audience. You can do it through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest, or even WhatsApp groups. Some companies pay $5 to $20 per sign-up, even if the customer doesn't buy anything. If you bring in just 50 referrals over time, that alone can make you $1,000. And once you learn it, you can scale it endlessly. Another powerful option is online reselling or flipping. You can buy low-cost items from local markets or online marketplaces and sell them for profit. This works with clothing, accessories, electronics, or even digital items like gaming skins. Many students and beginners use Facebook Marketplace, OLX, or eBay to do this with zero experience. If you make even a $10 to $20 profit per item, it won't take long to reach your first $1,000. It's simple, fast, and requires no special knowledge. The fifth, and maybe the easiest method, is using AI tools to start earning today. AI can write for you, design for you, research for you, and help you create content faster than ever. You can offer AI-generated blog writing, product descriptions, captions, voiceovers, and even stories. There are thousands of businesses and creators who need these services every day. You can complete projects in minutes, deliver the work instantly, and start getting repeat clients. Combine this with a solid profile and good customer service, and your first $1,000 becomes a very achievable goal. The point is not which method you choose. The point is that you actually choose one and stay consistent. Don't jump from one idea to another. Pick the simplest option that suits you and commit for 30 to 60 days. That is how every beginner succeeds online. Your first $1,000 is the hardest, but once you make it, you'll realize how much potential the online world truly has. So if you're serious about changing your life, building a new income stream, and getting closer to financial freedom, make sure you subscribe to Smart Finance Mentor right now. Here, you will learn simple methods, step-by-step guides, and proven ways to build a better financial future. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and let's grow your income one smart step at a time.